Have you ever faced this issue? You need to place urgent text on any model inside Unreal Engine, but you don't know the proper way to do it. For this kind of work, Unreal Engine already gives you a built-in actor called the Text Render Actor. Its job is simple. It helps you place text directly inside your level, over your models, walls, props, signs, or wherever you need it. But here is the question. If everyone uses the same default text style, won't every project start looking boring? So what should you do? Skip the text render actor completely and start learning 3D modeling just to place custom text on your model with whatever font you want? Just kidding. Welcome to our brand new short series called What to Do, I'm a Beginner. In this series, I will show you different Unreal Engine tips and tricks that can help you during your beginner stage. So yes, you can change your text render actor into whichever font you want in just a few seconds. Let me show you how. But before I show you the correct method, let's first see the struggle beginners usually face here. When you click on the text render actor, in the details panel you can see many options. You have font material, font style, text, alignment and many other settings. So naturally beginners think, okay, I just need to change the font style from here, right? But when you change it to another font, you may see the text becomes messy, broken, incorrectly displayed, or sometimes nothing is visible at all. And similar problems can also happen when you change the font material. So what is the correct way? Let's see. First, you need to download your desired font from the internet. There are many websites where you can download fonts, but for this video, I will use Google Fonts. And the font I am using in this tutorial is Oswald. So first, download the font and unzip the file. After unzipping, look for the actual font files. Usually, they come in formats like TTF or OTF. I almost forgot the names for a second. But yes, these are the font files we need. Anyway, let's move on. After you get the font files, first open your Windows font settings. Then drag and drop the font files there, so your PC can recognize the fonts properly. Once that is done, import those same font files directly into your Unreal Engine content folder. For safety and better organization, you can create a separate folder for your fonts and import them there. Then follow what I'm doing, and your fonts will be ready to use. Step 1. Open the main font file from your imported fonts. Most of the time, this will be the regular version of the font. Once you open it, search for font cache type. Change it from runtime to offline. When you do that, it will ask you to select the same from your font setting that we imported earlier there. So select now your font there. Select which style you want your font to be. I mean bold, regular, medium, semi-bold, etc. Once you are done selecting, you can also select its size you want. Once all done, press OK and it should measure those and create your offline settings properly. After that, open the Import Options drop-down. Here, write your font name or any name you want. Then set the height value. I will keep it at 42 because that matches the default style nicely. Next, set texture page width to 512. If you want higher quality, you can also try 1024. For this video, I will use 512 as a balanced option. You can also try the same value for texture page max height if needed. Now search for distance field alpha and enable it. Keep the other settings below as they are. But now you may notice something. The result still does not look exactly like the default text render font. So what should we do now? Search for your font file again. Press reimport. Then go back to the distance field font file and save it. Now you should see the result matching much better with the default one. And in the preview section below, you can write any text and test how your font will look inside the level. Once you are satisfied, go back to your text render actor. In the details panel, find the default text material. Now duplicate that material. After duplicating it, move your new version into your own font folder so everything stays clean and organized. Open the duplicated material. Inside the material, you will see a font node. Select that font node, and in the details panel, change the font to our new distance field font. Then compile and save the material. Now go back to the text render actor. Change the material to our new material. Then change the font to our new distance field font. And boom! You have successfully changed the font style of your text render actor. Now, by following this method, you can use almost any custom font you want and place better looking text in your level design, UI-based world elements, signs, blueprint actors, or wherever your project needs it. Hope you learned something useful from today's video. If this video helped increase your Unreal Engine knowledge, don't forget to like the video. Comment below what beginner tip you want me to cover next. and subscribe to the channel if you are hearing me for the first time. You can also support me on my Patreon page if you want. That will help me create more useful content for you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding! Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.